You're like, what the heck is a Cummings multimeter? So you can see there's a Cummings logo on this. I was very interested with this. We're gonna check out this multimeter because I've never seen a Cummings multimeter. And I think a lot of you might be curious because this thing's kind of a beast. It's kind of got the style where you wrap the leads around and you can insert them here. That's very electrician-y, I should say. So here's the money shot. Anyways, this feels really good in my hands. I feel like this would be pretty easy to clean. It's new right now, so obviously sticking in this feels pretty good. Like, it takes some effort to pull it out, so I wouldn't be worried about loose connections. The dial, it's got that nice click sound. And you do have to turn this to the off position. I left it on for a while and it still didn't turn off, which is awesome if you're doing some really long troubleshooting. Some meters do automatically turn off. So obviously you have your ohms. There, set the range, kilo ohms, mega ohms, all that. Just change the decibel point. It has data hold, so when you see something that doesn't look right and you're quick enough, you can hit data hold. It'll show it on the screen what it was reading at that time. Very good option. So right now I have it set up on alternating current. So we're gonna do a little test. I put the leads in, make sure they're in the proper position. You see it fluctuating right there. Just touch your leads together, zero it out, and I'm gonna do this. So you can't see it on camera, but I just plugged it into an alternating power source. In automotive, they teach you not to be afraid of 120. It's a simple test. Anybody who knows your average household voltage is 122 alternating on at least here in North America, I know it changes in Europe, they like 220 for some reason, but 120. So I know this works right now. I'm not gonna flip the dials or anything. It's a very simple test. All right, for my next part, we're gonna test amperage on DC on 10 amps. And I got a simple circuit here set up, but before I hook it up, I wanna show people that for light bulbs, it sucks a lot of amperage on startup and then it planes out. So I think I got this set to 10 amps. I got this maxed out at 10 amps. Let's get it set up and go from there. All right, I got the leads that screw in here right from the package. I forgot to show those. So now we're just gonna attach this and see what happens. 2 amps. Okay, that wasn't too bad. It should slowly drop, but 2 amps, it's showing 2.2 here and it's showing about, you know, a 5 milliamp difference isn't really that bad. I got connections here and that's doing pretty good. So we'll just change the scale. Shouldn't change anything, but it's always good to see. So that's 20,000, 2 and 2. Should be the same. So that's pretty good there. For the next test, we're gonna go resistance. And this is very subjective. Most multimeters are accurate within a percentage. I hope they're accurate within a percentage. We're gonna go right to the 100K ohm resistor. And we're gonna use my my ancient Radio Shack resistor kit here. And I got the 100 ohm resistor set up right now, and we're just gonna touch it. So I don't wanna, there we go. You don't wanna touch, you ever touch an ohm. So, oh, come on. 97.7 is what my last multimeter read. So I'm gonna say this is pretty accurate within 1%. So I'm gonna say this is accurate within 1%. Visually right now, it's obviously 2.7%, but hey, it's probably all the connections, it's the temperature and the age of the resistor. So I'm gonna say this passes the resistance check.